As you guys can see in my table, on my table, yeah, I have a sketch of Among Us. Like this person is pointing this person. And actually, if you also notice, I'm not making it pretty much balanced, yeah? Why? Because I still leave a space here. Yeah? And to compensate that, I can create kind of
A vent.
something like this.
Make
Maybe,
a vent.
yeah? So it's pretty
Oh,
much balanced.
and then this is the path.
Yeah, maybe the pet, yeah, but it's going to be a little bit more complicated. So anyway, like you see, on this side, this has a good outline, which is already, you guys can see it very quite clear, yeah, although it's still a sketch. But on this one, it's not exactly clear. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit, if you guys can see how these lines, I don't make it just one line because it's a sketch, because I'm finding out where should I put the right line, yeah. So I'm just going to continue with my drawing and make the outlines, just a quick one, and maybe something like that. Okay, kinda like that. All right, and yeah, now that our sketch is finished, I want you guys to also color it. Yeah? How do we color it? Now for your assignment this week, I know that you guys are prepared with the paint, but I still want to help you out with the pencil technique. Okay? So use a color pencil. Okay? Now when you do a coloring, now I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. You, what's important is when you're doing a coloring is your consistency of movement, yeah. You don't go like everywhere, unless if you want to go everywhere, then go everywhere all the way, yeah. But it would be better if you are consistent with your movement, like here from top to bottom, yeah. And also mind your pressure, because if you notice, I got this side a little bit lighter. Why? Because I don't press too much pressure on this side, and I put lots of pressure on this side, yeah, kind of like that,
Like a shadow.
and then finish up and tidying up, yeah. And also you can move another way, but still consistency is important. Change the movement. Oh, it's out of focus. All right, yeah. So change the movement, but still with consistency. All right. So there you have that. And then, since I want this a little bit like a can, it's empty. So I'm gonna start dark from here with lots of pressure. Yes. So that's how you're gonna use the well, I'm going to continue, yeah. I'm going to draw this what you call it, the back with another color. Then again, consistency, yeah, especially for boys. Don't go impatient, yeah. Just go with one movement and then do it with another movement, but still consistency is the key, yeah. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys now gain the knowledge and new skill of coloring with the color pencil. I'll see you again next time. Cheers.